Hello, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to try to look like Cindy Kimberly. I know what you're thinking, looking like this to like a model, but I do believe that with makeup you can really fool the world. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Starting off with foundation. I'm using the contour palette by Makeup Revolution. So I'm using a small brush and a little bit of concealer. Now I'm using powder contour. I'm sizzling my cheekbones.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go.
Okay, this is the final look. I don't know if I look like her later on. I don't angles. I just see myself looking like her. Like when I... Oh my god. No. I mean, considering how different we look, like we have different face shape, different like face, different lips, different nose. The only thing that may be a little bit similar is the eyes, even though her eyes are a bit bigger than mine and the color of the eye is different. So it was a bit of a challenge. So conclusion, I don't think I look like her. I tried. If you have any advice, leave it down below, because I would really appreciate it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope that you liked this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I hope that you're staying safe and staying at home right now. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.